Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Availity to verify insurance. First, open your browser and go to the Availity Essentials login page. Enter your username and password, then sign in to your account. After logging in, move to the top navigation menu. Hover over Patient Registration or Open Payer Spaces, depending on your account layout. Next, select the health plan you want to check, such as Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, Humana, or another participating payer. Once you have selected the payer, look for the Eligibility and Benefits Inquiry option. In some versions of the platform, this feature may appear under Claims and Payments, so the location can vary slightly. Now, fill in the required information. This typically includes the provider NPI, the patient's member ID, date of birth, and the date of service. Take a moment to review the details before submitting the form to ensure the information is accurate. After you submit the request, Availity will display the patient's insurance information. You can confirm whether the coverage is active or inactive, review deductibles and copay amounts, and check which services are covered under the plan. This helps reduce billing issues and allows you to inform patients about their financial responsibilities in advance. Thanks for watching.